Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making barbecued pork and penne skillet. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large skillet pan. I'm going to add in some olive oil. Probably about 3 tablespoons. And I have 1 red bell pepper here and 1 onion I diced up. I'm going to get them in here and I'm going to saute them until they turn soft. Now my peppers and onions have softened up. I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm using a pre-diced stuff. I'm going to add in 2 decent teaspoons. So if you use fresh, you use about 3 cloves. And I'm going to stir that around for a minute, allow that to heat up and get fragrant. Turn my heat up just a little bit. Now I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of cumin. Turn my heat down a little bit. And if you haven't cooked with cumin, guys, give it a try. It's really delicious. Now I'm going to add in a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. I can only get 2 10-ounce, so I'll add in a can and a half. That'll bring us pretty close. Undrained. And I'm going to add in a half a cup of beef broth. Turn my heat back up. It's up and down, guys. And I'm just eyeballing this. I'm going to allow this to cook for just a minute to start to heat through. Right now that this is starting to heat up, I'm going to add in some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to add in a little more than a cup, about 1.25 cups of cheese. That should be good. Cut my heat back a little bit. I'm going to stir that around to start to melt the cheese in there. Alright, now I have a 16-ounce container of pre-made barbecue pork. I'm going to stir in here. This is that stuff that's shredded real fine. I'm going to stir that down into our mixture. You just want to break it up and heat it through. We're looking good, guys. Alright, now I have a pound of penne pasta I boiled to the directions on the package. We're going to dump that down in there. Give that a stir, get everything mixed together. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. This would be great garnish with some green onion or fresh parsley, but I don't have any on hand, so we're just going to eat it plain. Let me get in here and give this a try. Pasta's tender. It's cheesy. You get a good barbecue flavor throughout it. A little bit of heat from the green chilies, but not much. Guys, that's really easy and really delicious. Barbecued pork and penne skillet. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.